Hello Internet! Today we're going to talk about retryable transactions and specifically the ones that are implemented in EdgeDB. I was just going through the docs and skimming through some documentation unrelated to this, and I found out this transaction API, which is apparently a way that is very clean to retry transactions in this database. If we will try to insert some record into the database with a transaction, the transaction may fail because the underlying state may have been changed while we were trying to insert our own data. And the way to implement the retry in EdgeDB is that we are iterating over this transaction object. And when we do that, if the inner block here throws something, just like maybe it was a corrupted state or something went wrong, maybe network connectivity, then the throw will be catched by this async with, and the iteration itself would do another retry in order to attempt the same transaction. Of course, if an error occurs, then the transaction will be rolled back and only then it will be retried. The defaults here are 3 retries, and there's an exponential backoff with random jitter added to it, which we can find here in the options mix-in. Here is the default backoff. That's all there is to it in order to do retryable transactions in EdgeDB, which I think is a very user-friendly API. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.